Just like with the wings, we need to draw up the tail before we can carve in the detail. I'm going to show you how to draw up the swallow and goldfinch tails. You will need your reference sheet. On it, you will find the top side view for the tail and the underside view for the tail. Let's start with the underside. You should still have some markings on the side of your tailpiece, which show you where the feathers go. Watch what I do. Now draw in the top view. Once you've drawn up both sides, it should look something like this. Make sure the two sides match up. This is what the tail will look like once we've carved in those feathers, just to give you an idea of what we're aiming for. Now for the goldfinch tail. Again, use your reference sheet. On it you will find top side and underside views. Look at where your side markings are before you start drawing. Start with the underside. Now draw in the top side. Remember, you can always erase and adjust your drawing if you need to. Quick note, I realised after taking this footage that I'd missed out a line in the centre. Make sure you draw that in as well. Here's the goldfinch tail after carving the feathers, to give you an idea of what we're aiming for.